Good morning, my dear student. Today we have discussed about popular pilgrim tourist centers of India. Contents. India is a multi-religious country, so let's look at the pilgrimage for each religion pilgrimage. First one, Hinduism pilgrimage in India. Another one, Christianity pilgrimage in India. Another one, Muslim pilgrimage in India. Another one, Sikh pilgrimage in India. Another one, Buddhism pilgrimage in India. And Jainism pilgrimage in India. Hinduism pilgrimage in India. Char Dhams. For a Hindu, Char Dham Yatra is a complete pilgrimage. The four pilgrimage sites are located in four different directions. First one, Badrinath Temple, located in Uttarakhand. It is a temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Another one, Jagannath Temple, dedicated to Lord Jagannath in Puri, Odisha. It is popular for its annual Rath Yatra. Another one, Rameswaram Temple, located in Rameswaram in the south. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Another one, Dwarkadhish Temple. This temple dedicated to Lord Krishna is situated in Dwarka, Gujarat. Yamunotri Temple is situated in the western region of Garhwal Himalayas in Uttarkasi district, Uttarakhand. The temple is dedicated to goddess Yamuna and has a black marble idol of the goddess. Gayatrinath Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to God Shiva. It is on the Garhwal Himalayan range near the Mandakini river in Kedarnath, Uttarakhand in India. Gangotri, the origin of the river Ganges and seat of the goddess Ganga. Temple built by Amar Singh Daba. Badrinath Temple, located in Uttarakhand. It is a temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Amarnath. Amarnath, located in Jammu and Kashmir. The holy shrine Amarnath is devoted to Lord Shiva. Every year, a yatra to the Amarnath cave is held for the pilgrims to worship the ice stalagmite lingam. Vaishno Devi, situated on the Trigutta mountains in Jammu and Kashmir. This shrine is dedicated to Maha Vaishnu. There are three natural rock formations known as Bindis which are worshipped here. Kamagaya Temple, located in Guwahati, Assam. It is one of the oldest Shakti Pidas dedicated to goddess Kamagaya. Thousands of Tantra devotees attend the annual festival Ambubachi Mela held in this temple. Tirumala Venkateswara Temple, located in Tirupati. This temple is devoted to Lord Venkateswara, who is also known by different names such as Balaji, Srinivasa and Govinda. Sriradi Sai Temple, located in Sriradi, Maharashtra. It is a holy shrine of Sriradi Sai Baba. The temple, visited by a large number of devotees every year, is spread in an area of approximately 200 square meters. Brahma Temple. The Brahma Temple in Buskar is the only temple in the world dedicated to the deity. The temple is believed to be about 2000 years old. Mathura Vrindavan. Lord Krishna was born in Mathura and spent his childhood in Vrindavan. These places have many temples dedicated to Lord Krishna and his beloved Radha. Haridwar. It is located in Uttarakhand and is considered as an ideal place to start a pilgrim journey to Mount Kailas. Varanasi. Also known as Kashi, this ancient city is also referred as the holy city of India. The gods and the temples of the city attract a large number of Hindu devotees. Christianity pilgrimage in India. First one, Basilica of Bom Jesus, located in Goa. It is the first Indian church to be brought to the status of minor basilica and is known for the tomb of Saint Francis Xavier. Another one, Saint Gertjan Church. This Goa-based church has a structure similar to that of Saint Peter's Church in Rome. The church is an example of Renaissance and Christian architecture. Another one, Christ Church and Saint Michael's Cathedral, situated on the popular Mall Road of Simla, Himachal Pradesh. This church is considered to be the second oldest church of North India. Muslim pilgrimage in India. First one, Ajmer Sharif. It is the most famous center of Muslim pilgrimage in India. It's located in Rajasthan and is the resting place of Sufi saint Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti. It is said to fulfill all wishes of person who prays with pure heart. It is said that the Khwaja left for heavenly abode after praying for 6 days. Another one, Haji Ali, a well-known mosque in middle of sea connected by a tin bath on the coast of Mumbai. It looks like a floating mosque, tomb of Saint Haji Ali, whose casket came floating from Mecca. Another one, Jama Masjid, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. This mosque is located in Old Delhi. It contains some relics of the Muhammad and can accommodate thousands of devotees to worship together. Another one, Fatehpur Sikri. It was built by Akbar after he came to tomb of Salim Chishti to seek blessing for his son. It is an architectural wonder with combination of Indian and Persian architecture. Entrance is Bulandarwasa, main hall is called Devanihas and Panch Mahal. Sikhism pilgrimage in India. Golden Temple. The Golden Temple of Amritsar, also known as Harmandir Sahib, is considered as the most prominent shrine of the Sikhs. The 4 doors of the temple symbolize that it is open for people of all religions and beliefs. Another one, Patna Sahib. Patna Sahib, also known as Sri Harimandir Ji, is the birthplace of the 10th Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Singh, and is situated in Patna, Bihar. Another one, Gurudwara Banda Sahib. The Banda Sahib Gurudwara is dedicated to Guru Gobind Singh Ji and is situated in Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. It has a religious significance as it houses the book Dasam Granth written by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Buddhism pilgrimage in India. Buddha Gaya. It is the biggest pilgrim center for the Buddhists in Bihar and holds significance as Gautama Buddha is believed to have obtained enlightenment here under the Bodhi tree. Another one, Sarnath. Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh is a place where Buddha delivered his first teaching on Dharma. Another one, Kushinagar. This place in Uttar Pradesh holds religious significance as Gautama Buddha breathed his last and attained Parinivarna after his death. Jainism pilgrimage in India. Vaishali. Vaishali in Bihar is the birthplace of the last Jain Tirthankara Mahavira and is therefore an important religious place for the Jains. Pavaburi. This is a holy place in Bihar where Lord Mahavira attained salvation. Another one, Gomadeswara Temple. Lord Gomadeswara Temple or the Great Bahubali is located at Saranapalagala, Karnataka and is one of the largest temple in the city. Thank you very much, student.